I wasn't on my feet, but I am now. That is some catch. Maxwell going for the reverse sweep. We spoke earlier that he can play it really well. He got that wall in front of square. Haris Rauf with great hands. Under pressure, that is a fantastic catch. Shadab Khan, he looks to the heavens. He is fantastic. Soul has gone.
Thought he'd got another one, but that sailed over.
Not too happy with the fielder there. Just a little bit out of place, I suppose. But this is a great over.
He thought he out, but no.
That is a great catch. A little slip on the foot there too for Haris Rauf. Just took him